Today we're connecting an e-paper display to an ESP8266. E-paper is cool because it holds the image with zero power, no refresh, no backlight, nothing. Just the image sitting there. This is the WeAct 4.2 inch module, 8 pins, VCC to 3.3 volts, ground to ground, then the data pins. Everything will be shown on the screen. One thing that confused me, the pins say SDA and SCL, which looks like I2C. It's not. It's SPI. The labels are just misleading. The libraries in the library manager, GXEPD2 and Adafruit GFX, install both, upload, wait a few seconds, and there it is. The flashing during refresh is normal. That's just how e-paper works. It resets all the pixels before drawing. And once it's drawn, you can unplug it, image stays. Code is on GitHub or my website. If you want, you can also join a Discord group where we can talk about future projects and solutions. Until then, goodbye!